what's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Entertainment, bringing you this entertainment before you even knew what entertainment. Now, hopefully you guys just like that little montage. The whole idea of me showing you guys that was just to give y'all a good look on how I lace my Air Jordan 1 lows. Now, I actually threw my off-white laces in these. I had these like that for a while, then I seen Mike Rich did it or whatever, and that was pretty cool. He threw his orange laces in his or whatever, but these are from my off-white UNC ones, clearly, and I thought that just made the shoe pop. And the reason why I was able to throw a large DS knot in these because the laces are built for actually highs, so that's why these, you know, are able to hang and be swagged like that, which is fire. But this is not what I'm going to do with these Jordan 1s I'm going to show you guys now. I'm about to show you guys how I lace my Jordan 1 lows in the Travis Scott Jordan 1 lows. Now, I'm not a big fan of these pink laces, so I'm not going to be wearing it with these, but we are going to throw the black wax laces and the red wax laces in with these shoes real quick. And this is going to be my tutorial on how I lace my Jordan 1 lows. So the idea is going to come from Nike SBs. You know, pretty much the Jordan 1 lows, you know, take the silhouette of a, you know, Nike SB low. And I always like how these are laced, you know what I mean, where you don't have laces hanging or whatever. It's kind of just, you know, your laces, and then boom, just like that. And as you can see, I did with both of my, you know, my SBs. So this is the route I'm gonna go with the Travis Scott 1 lows. So without further ado, check out this tutorial. We're about to get it popping. I'm gonna speed it up some, slow it down some. It is what it is. Let's get it. First and foremost, we're gonna start with the red laces on the right shoe. And I like to lace my shoes out to in, you know what I mean? Because it gives it more of a fulfilled look to the actual shoe. So make sure they're even, first of all, just like that. Make sure your strings are even. And then I'm pretty much just gonna loose lace it all the way up. I'm about to speed it up for you guys right now, but go from out to in, just like that. On the outside of the shoe, in, boom, just like that. And on the next lace, we're gonna go from the outside of the shoe in, and then we're just gonna do that whole pattern up the shoe just like that. That easy. From the outside of the shoe, let me show y'all again. Boom, just like that. Outside of the shoe. Boom, just like that. All right, now I'm gonna speed it up and we're gonna go all the way up. All right, y'all ready? Let's get it. Now, as y'all can see, I went all the way up, then I came through, I went in, then out right there. Now it's gonna be inside the shoe, just like that on that side, just like this. Now you don't want too much string in there, so if you got too much, then you need to pull from here. You know what I mean? Because it has to be even on the inside, just like that, bam. Make sure your strings is even. Now is where you have a loose lace job, where you just loose lace it. And I like to stagger mine from least to greatest like that. So just loosen it up. And that's it. This is how I'll be rocking my Travis Scott 1 lows, all my Jordan 1 lows, just like that. Now, if y'all need some more assistance, we are going to lace up the other shoe with the black laces. So give me a second, let me get those out. All right, y'all, so we got the black laces, as y'all can see. Always go from the outside in. I went through the bottom, just like that. All right, make sure it's nice and even. Bam, just like that, yeah. Then, like I said before, we always go from the outside in, outside in. Now I will say, man, after having these shoes on feet, the Travis Scott 1 lows, they run a little big. So if you can, go down half a size, because they do run a little big, pretty much. I mean, it's not crazy big, but you know, I'm letting you know these do run a little big. And it may save you from creasing though, you know what I mean? If you do get true to size, that way, you know what I mean? If they run a little snug, then each step you make you know, it may crease up your shoes or whatever. But yeah, we don't want to do that. No creases. That's the whole point on loose lacing. Shout out to my nigga Davey out there in the building. But yeah, I love doing these little lacing tutorials, man, because I feel like, you know what I mean, dress up your shoes, you know what I mean? And you want to utilize all the laces that come with the sneaker or whatever, so that's what I do, definitely. Then you just lace them up just like that, bomb. And you don't have to do it my way or whatever. You can lace them up however way you want to, but this is the way I do it. And it works for me, you know what I mean? Like my Jordan 1s, my highs, my Yeezys. I'm gonna do a lacing tutorial on Yeezys too. I've already done one, but I have a new way that I do it that I like a lot better than what I've been doing. I got a brand new way that I've been doing my Yeezys. So, and I'm just blabbering right now, just killing time as I'm lacing this sneaker up. All right, now that we're done, we're at the top, like I showed y'all before. Go right through the lace right here. Just like that, and through the other way, just like that. Give it that SB feel. Like I just showing you guys earlier with the SBs, bomb, just like that. On the other side, do the same thing. Go in and come through, just like that. Give it a little bit of room so it can hang down in there, bomb, just like that. Now with your access, that's when you start to, you know, dress it up a little bit, just like that. You don't want your shoes running too tight. Like that. Give it that SB feel, you know what I mean? Just like that. This is how I lace my Air Jordan 1 lows, man. Leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, man, if you dig it. I'm gonna go ahead and throw these things on feet real quick. Do quick, slight, subtle on foot for you guys. Nothing too crazy. And let me know if you guys like it down in the comments, man. Let me know if you're gonna lace your shoes the same way. You don't have to. It's just another one way that I lace my Jordan 1 lows. You know what I mean? If you have any longer laces laying around that you want to throw in there, so you can give it this swag right here, it's pretty much the same thing. You swag it out all the way up to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the 6th eyelid, just like that. Throw a DS knot in there, call it a day, and just sit it on the. I like how it just sits right there on the strings. It gives off a real dope look or whatever, in my opinion. And the fact that these are actual off-white shoelaces, it says shoelaces or whatever, that's an even bonus for me. But if you don't have any off-white laces, you could throw some longer laces in it, call it a day, or you could do it the way I just showed y'all. But without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and do this quick on foot for you guys, because it's your boy Mr. Entertainment, bringing you this entertainment before you even knew what entertainment, y'all. Peace.